A comparative analysis of Revolutionary Continental Light Dragoon troops and U.S. Air Force Special Reconnaissance operators, warfighting techniques and capabilities. Throughout history, warfare has undergone significant transformations, driven by technological advancements and evolving strategic doctrines. This essay aims to compare and contrast the warfighting techniques and capabilities of two distinct military units from different eras: the Revolutionary Continental Light Dragoon troops during the American Revolutionary War, and the U.S. Air Force Special Reconnaissance operators in the modern era. By exploring their historical context, operational methodologies, and specialized capabilities, we can gain insight into the similarities and differences that shape military operations across time. The Revolutionary Continental Light Dragoon troops were a cavalry unit formed by the Continental Army during the American Revolution, 1775 to 1783. They played a crucial role in mobile warfare, providing reconnaissance, skirmishing, and raiding capabilities against the British forces. On the other hand, the U.S. Air Force Special Reconnaissance operators are elite personnel tasked with conducting reconnaissance and surveillance missions in modern conflicts, employing advanced technology and specialized training. The Revolutionary Continental Light Dragoon troops operated in an era characterized by limited technology and relied heavily on horsemanship, mobility, and marksmanship. They were adept at hit-and-run tactics, harassing the enemy and gathering intelligence on their movements. Their primary weapons included sabers, pistols, and muskets, which allowed for versatile engagement options on horseback. In contrast, the U.S. Air Force Special Reconnaissance operators employ a range of cutting-edge technologies and equipment. They leverage unmanned aerial systems such as drones, high-resolution surveillance sensors, and advanced communication systems to gather real-time intelligence from a safe distance. Modern operators are trained in stealthy infiltration techniques, advanced navigation systems, and are proficient in close-quarter combat. Their operational approach emphasizes covert actions, intelligence gathering, and precision strikes. The Revolutionary Continental Light Dragoon troops possessed exceptional horsemanship skills, which enabled them to swiftly move across the battlefield and engage the enemy with speed and surprise. They excelled in scouting, acquiring valuable information about enemy positions, strength, and intentions. Moreover, their mobility enabled them to execute hit-and-run tactics, disrupting British supply lines and communications. In contrast, the U.S. Air Force Special Reconnaissance operators are highly skilled in specialized areas of surveillance, target acquisition, and precision strikes. They undergo extensive training in intelligence analysis, electronic warfare, and tactical reconnaissance. These operators are proficient in conducting deep reconnaissance missions in hostile environments, often behind enemy lines. Their ability to gather critical intelligence on enemy capabilities and intentions significantly contributes to the success of larger military operations. Technological advancements have played a pivotal role in shaping the capabilities of both military units. While the Revolutionary Continental Light Dragoon troops relied on traditional weaponry and tactics, the U.S. Air Force Special Reconnaissance operators leveraged state-of-the-art equipment and advanced technology. The incorporation of drones, satellite imagery, encrypted communication systems, and specialized night vision optics has exponentially increased their situational awareness, effectiveness, and survivability. The Revolutionary Continental Light Dragoon troops and the U.S. Air Force Special Reconnaissance operators represent two distinct eras in military history. Although separated by centuries, both units share a common goal of gathering intelligence, disrupting enemy operations, and providing critical support to larger military campaigns. While the Revolutionary War troops relied on horsemanship and guerrilla-style tactics, modern-day special reconnaissance operators employ cutting-edge technology, advanced training, and covert operations. By studying their differences and similarities, we gain valuable insights into the evolution of warfighting techniques and capabilities throughout history.